So I decided to restart the Unmasked vlog, but to change it more to a travel vlog, because as I was here in the Philippines, all I was asked was,
Welcome to my guys vlog.
well, I guess I am now. So I'm gonna combine the skills that I learned when producing the holidays travel vlog, and inspired by Beyond the Sea, I guess a vlog from an expat who lives in the Philippines, where I got most of my tips from. He also gave me the name for this vlog.
Boots on the ground. So the boots on the ground rule, and that's where the boots on the ground rule comes in later.
Boots on the ground, an unmasked travel vlog. So what am I doing in the Philippines? And how long have I been here? And, you know, et cetera, and so forth. It began with an invitation to a wedding from an old high school friend. Now, I'm going to preface this by saying I have no idea why she invited me to her wedding. We didn't talk that much since after high school. We didn't talk that much on Facebook, but I got the invitation. I was like, hell yeah. What was supposed to be a 2-week trip turned into a 4-week trip. Why? Well, because the time that I took off for the wedding, my boss and my coworker wanted to take off. So I said, fine, I'll give it back. So at least there's, at least 1 or 2 people on, on shift, but I will work from the Philippines and I will extend my trip for a month. And they agreed, and I said, what? And I said, cool. And that's what I'm doing here. It's been an experience. I can't wait to share with you guys everything that I've done. I've filmed a lot of things. I borrowed my friend Holly's GoPro, so I got some GoPro footage as well. I'm gonna do testimonials in between clips, and we'll see how it turns out. So, on that note, let's cue the intro. Nope, not doing that. We're gonna try something a little different.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Ano to? Jesus vlog. sorry. Jesus vlog. This is our boat. No, that's not actually our boat. What's up? We'll transfer to the Vigo. I love you. Hello. Hello guys. Hello vlogger. Welcome.
Oh, I should have